So let's now say we have already a created text feed which is showing on this particular position between quantity and above the Add to Cart button. Now let's say we don't like this position, so we want to have it further up or further down. So we have to do the following. We have to go to online stores, either do so. We have to click on customize. Now the Keen editor will open up. And what we now have to do is we have to select from this drop-down the product template. So I go to products, the code product template, I will click on that. And now a sampled product will open up. Here we can see on the left side that the text box is showing between the quantity selector and above the buy buttons. So if we now want to move it further up, we can do the following. We can hold it clicked and move it up. So let us now move it above the variant picker. I will release it again. We will click the save button, wait until it changes saved, and then right away check on our product page if something has changed. So I will now click the refresh button, and we can now see that the position has successfully changed. But since I always recommend to show it above the Add to Cart, I will move it back above the buy buttons. We will save it again. And we can then, if after we see the change saved message, go back to the product page, refresh it, and we'll see that the position has changed according to our wish.